Alright guys, it is your boy Savage. Real quick review on this keyboard that I got from Arcade. I tested last night. I had to hurry up on, but it's actually pretty good. It's actually really easy to press the keys since they're elevated higher, but the keyboard itself is kind of bendy in my opinion. Pushing on a key like my W key, it actually pushes the keyboard down more, so yeah, it's kind of bendy. The keyboard itself, it only has 3 backlit features, so if I do this, alright, that's one, and this is the second one. So only 3 backlit features. Now, the keyboard's actually kind of flat. It's really flat. Unlike our contender, my Red Dragon keyboard that I got from Combo Set. It's actually really good. I really like this keyboard. To avoid the keyboard from being too flat, they actually put LEDs under the keys, which is actually really nice. I like the detail. Now, this actually has 7 backlit features. So, blue, green, red, cyan, yellow, pink, and white. And pink is of course my favorite. Now, I want to downgrade this keyboard. It's actually pretty good. As once again I said, it's actually really easy to press on keys. It's actually really good to press on them, but I gotta give a Red Dragon. You actually did pretty good, but alright. Wait a second.